We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our spicy vegetable burritos. They are packed with roasted cauliflower, onions, peppers, rice, cheese, and beans. We've already shared a video showing the spicy roasted cauliflower, and we've linked it here. It's delicious in these burritos. For the peppers and onions, we'll need to slice them into strips. By the way, if you don't have the time to make both the peppers and onions and the cauliflower I mentioned above, we've made these burritos with just the peppers and onions, and they are still amazing. As for the peppers, if you have access to them, we love using 2 colors of bell pepper. You could even swap in slightly spicier poblano peppers instead. When they are sliced, toss the veggies with some oil and our homemade spice blend. It's the same blend as we use for the cauliflower, and it's made with chili powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. Add them to a baking sheet and space them out so that they brown nicely in the oven. Then roast until tender and the edges begin to brown. Remember that the full recipe is found on Inspired Taste. When it's time to build the burritos, you'll want to heat a skillet over medium-low heat. Add the first tortilla and warm on one side, flip, and if you are adding it, scatter some cheese all over. When the second side is warm and the cheese is almost melted, you can build your burrito. To fill the tortilla, spoon a 1/4 cup of rice. We love our Cilantro Lime Rice for this. It is linked here for you. A 1/4 cup of beans. Here I'm using our Homemade Refried Beans. The recipe is also linked. Some of the cooked peppers and onions, and some spicy roasted cauliflower down the center of each warm tortilla. Fold the sides of the tortilla over the filling and then tightly roll the end closest to you up and around the filling, pushing any bits that fall out back into the middle of the burrito. Place the burrito seam side down. Tucking in the sides and wrapping tightly is the trick to burritos that hold together. Repeat with the remaining tortillas, then you can enjoy straight away, wrap in foil and freeze, or toast the burritos. Freezing instructions are in the recipe on Inspired Taste. To prevent freezer burn, we like to wrap in heavy-duty foil before freezing. For toasted burritos, heat a medium skillet over medium heat. Place the burritos seam side down into the hot pan and toast until the underside is lightly browned and crisp. Rotate the burrito and repeat on all sides. This isn't 100% necessary, but we love the crunch it adds. And that's it, delicious veggie burritos to enjoy now or freeze for later. All recipe links, including the spicy cauliflower, cilantro lime rice, and homemade refried beans, are below. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.